Welcome to Beyond Boundaries, the channel that takes you on a captivating journey to explore the wonders of our world and beyond. I'm your host, and I'm thrilled to be your guide in this extraordinary adventure at Beyond Boundaries. We believe that curiosity has no limits and that there are infinite wonders waiting to be discovered. From the deepest oceans to the highest peaks, from the mysteries of outer space to the hidden gems of our own planet, we invite you to join us on a quest for knowledge and exploration. Each episode of Beyond Boundaries will transport you to awe-inspiring locations, introduce you to incredible people, and showcase mind-boggling scientific advancements. From ancient civilizations to cutting-edge technology, we'll unravel the secrets of history, marvel at the beauty of nature, and delve into the frontiers of innovation. Whether you're a thrill-seeker, a history enthusiast, or a science lover, Beyond Boundaries has something for everyone. So, are you ready to embark on this extraordinary journey with us? Subscribe to Beyond Boundaries now and join our community of passionate explorers.